Hello everyone, I'm Samantha, and just before we start, I want to remind you that if you want to change your life and start earning money, text me on Telegram to check many free signals and much more. You can find the link in the description. Today in the video, we will try to figure out whether it is really possible to make money on binary options. Let's imagine the situation so that we are some person who saw the video on YouTube, liked it, so the person wants to try it, so the person registers an account, and let's say even on a demo account, this person wants to try his hand. Let's imagine that we are some ordinary user, so we have registered, logged into a demo account, maybe we are replenishing immediately and we want to choose an indicator. Let's say we watch the Vertex indexer, we edit, select the time of the transaction, the amount of the transaction, and we start trying to trade. Let's immediately figure out what a Vertex is, how it works so it doesn't disappear. We have a green line, the line of the indexer. Let's highlight it. Let it be blue and 3 pixels. We will leave the red one as it is. So that's how it works. If our main line of the indexer overcomes the red one and goes up from the bottom, this is a buy signal. If the opposite is true, then this is a sell signal. It's very simple. Now we need to find a currency pair and study the moments where it is better not to bet. It's better not to bet in here. It is necessary to catch a good intersection, preferably not for a long time. That is, we had to put on this candle and 3 candles have gone down. Also, a long time ago, many candles. Okay, at the moment we need to look. We are an ordinary person who wants to try his hand. So, to see what it is, by the way, quite a lot of candles have already been formed. We go further. Here we didn't count a touching at all. And there was no intersection. We are just looking for some kind of currency pair in which we will enter into the transaction. I haven't found anything yet, so well, here we put it. It's not that serious. And here there was another attempt which led to nothing. Turned back down, we conclude that something may change. The strategies for indicators are not 100%. We see the right moment. We set the deal for 5 minutes and just wait until it closes. And so the first deal closes in plus. Great, we earned $74 like this, and so we will look further. I want to change the transaction time from 5 minutes to 1, so it will be better for the video. It's just that, well, I understand that it's always better to bet. Well, here again, damn, we need to bet one more. We put 3 minutes. Just for video. Minute transactions are a little more interesting and it's easier to speed them up and they don't take much time. It turns out more information to put in the video. Well, the deal is open for 3 minutes. Let's watch its progress. Then it closes. We will resume. Our second deal closes non-profitable and, in fact, we lose $26 of the total deposit. But you shouldn't be upset because you put $100 and lost only $26. Therefore, you should not get upset and you need to look further. Here is a situation that I don't have time for, of course. Damn, I just didn't have time. It's just a nightmare again. Oof. I slightly changed the indicator settings. I put 7 instead of 13, reduced it by almost 2 times because the deal will not be for 1 minute and we don't need 1. 14 setting it up for 5 minutes and we don't need it now. So it will do so. Perfectly entered into the transaction on time. It remains to wait for this deal to close. The chart should move up. Let's watch. it's a great deal, since after all, this video is made to show how I can earn on binary options. But I will go a little deeper and tell some things. That is, a decrease of 7, what can it give us? The indicator will show us even more false entries. That is, the risk for such trading increases significantly. But for the sake of the video, I do this. Therefore, sometimes you can trade like this. Here I can put it down. That is, a decrease in the period indicator itself by 7 gives more. False inputs and trading with 1 minute trading on candles gives a lot of false signals. Ideally, to trade at least on 3-5 minute time frames and put from 3 minutes and above before the expiration. But even 3 minutes, it's very little. You need to remember it. The deal is open, we need to wait another 26 seconds. Let's watch. Great, another good deal. What are the statistics with this indicator? For example, some person just came to see how it works. We trade on a demo account. We are not afraid to bet. We have 1 deal with a loss and 3 profitable ones. We lost $100 but earned more. You can look for something else. Let's quickly go through the currency pairs. If there are more entries, then it will definitely enter into transactions, but if there is nothing interesting anymore, then we just can finish it. I think it turned out to be a good trade for such video. Here, by the way, it crosses from top to bottom and not so long ago, so you can try to bet here. Let's go into one deal and watch it. Okay, 56 seconds, let's watch. Well, that was very good, right? Are we, as newbie traders, working on the indicator, betting $100 and already having income? That's it. There is minus $100 and then plus and plus. It's up to you. Be sure to try demo trading and use indicators wisely. The lower we set the transaction time and the faster we update the candle, the more false entries. You need to be careful and read and study a lot. Today, I didn't do anything supernatural. I didn't need any special knowledge. Just watch this video and try trading on a demo account. Thanks a lot for the watching, and if you like this type of content, please don't forget to give this video a big like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for future videos.